Alright everybody, so what I'm about to do now is change these struts on this trunk lid. And so, order these off Amazon. And that's what I'm about to do right now. I just finished with the oil dipstick. I'm gonna go get a new one from Advanced Auto Parts, but I figured I'd do this first. So when you order them, that's what they look like. I'll leave it in the description. So I'll turn the camera around so you all can see it. Okay, so now we're about to get these old ones off. At least we're about to try to. Okay, so got the first one off, as you can see. Got the first one off. And this is the new one. And so I'm gonna start with the bottom one first. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's right here. Actually, it just snapped on, so I'm good. I'll be fine. All right, we got that one on. Let's do the other side. Get this bottom one down here. I didn't show this on the other one, I don't think. And it's that easy. Got it off. This is the other new one. And at this point, we're done. New strut right there. New strut right there. Now we're gonna check this trunk lid. The way you know it works is because it doesn't slam anymore. And that easy. We're finished. The first one I used to open the trunk, it wouldn't even lift up like it did, but and it definitely wouldn't open all the way on its own. That's a sign that you need struts on your trunk. Now, these are the headlights right here. Gonna get to that next.